It's Friday on the Soul Sister channel. Welcome, I'm Kat. I'm here with your Friday, June 11th and Saturday, June 12th astrological forecast. Let's get started by becoming balanced and harmonized and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more breath. On this third breath, we are releasing all disease, toxicity, and negativity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness leaving our body. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. See this white light filling our entire bodies. And then also see it going out and forming a protective bubble all around us. So any negativity, toxicity, disease, low vibes that come our way today, it'll bounce right off that bubble and it won't affect us. So while we are in this space of white light, let's take a minute and say the Gemini affirmation, I am connected with my higher self. Together we create the life I want. We want to say this affirmation, and let's stay in the space for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am connected with my higher self. Together we create the life I want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And just a little reminder, our physical etheric bodies, we have our physical body that we can see, feel, touch, and then we have an etheric, energetic body that actually goes out beyond our physical body. We just can't see it. We have our emotional astral bodies. Our emotions are our feelings, but our astral body is where all thought and emotion is housed. It's in the astral body. It's actually where we go when we dream at night. We want to make sure that this body is cleared out of all negativity, especially since it collects everything. Then there's our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We're familiar with the lower mental body, and actually it's being quite energized with the Sun and Mercury and Gemini right now. But our higher mental body is our connection to our higher self. It's where we find our wisdom and our intuition. So just a little reminder there, always a good thing to use, a good tool to use if we're out of sorts or just to start every day with. Well, happy Friday. We had the big solar eclipse yesterday. I have a lot of work, but guess what? Universe says, you guys are working. I know you guys are going to work really hard to clear out all these skeletons out of your closet. I know you're going to work really hard to clear up any harm we've done to anyone else. Spirit says, I know you're going to work really hard to take responsibility for your relationships, for your own fulfillment in life. And Spirit says, I know you're going to work really hard to make sure that you take your power back too, and make sure that you heal, transform, and release. And since I am so optimistic that you guys are going to do the work, Spirit's giving us a little extra energy today to help us out. Mars goes into Leo today. Woo, woo, woo. So here, with all this heavy energy that we're working with, we have a little bit of a brighter energy. Mars in Leo. So it's all about pleasure, excitement. It's all about fun and just doing whatever you know, good meals, good music, going to the, I don't know why I'm saying this, going to the circus. You know, it's about fun. So we can have some fun while we're doing the hard work. It's not all just gonna be hard work. Now, have to warn you though, that's the positive side of Mars in Leo. Just looking for fun and enjoying life and all its different aspects. The negative side is when we're feeling that we're not being appreciated or acknowledged. We tend to like become lions, like the Leo lion, roar, to try to get everyone's attention and kind of play the drama card. So watch out for that. Stay out of that fray. We got enough of that going on, but just enjoy. Take the time out to enjoy today. We do have the moon went into Cancer early this morning. So the energy is all about home and family and good food and being comfy and cozy and feeling like we belong. So we have that. So it's a great time with that Mars going into Leo to go out and have some fun with our friends, our family, our partner. Just really, really enjoy. And then tomorrow, well, while we're doing the hard work of clearing the skeletons out of our closet. Okay, and then tomorrow, Saturday, we have the Venus sextile Uranus. Venus is in Cancer, sextiling Uranus. So again, it's like another bit of energy to really get into our physical senses, enjoy our physical senses, good food, good music, go to a concert, go to the beach, go to the woods, go camping. And it's a great time to do something a little bit different out of the box that we haven't done in a while or have never tried before and are kind of like, yeah, that might be a good idea. So take the risk. Especially when we're with our partner, we might want to do something a little bit different today and just try out something new. So all this heavy solar eclipse energy, universe never leaves us without support. They're giving us Mars and Leo so that we can still have fun. And then Saturday, Venus and what did I say? Venus and Uranus gives our relationship something new for a relationship, trying something new, a little different, a little unique. So plenty of opportunity to feel the positive energy that is moving through while we're working with all the clutter and the darkness. Advice from the universe to help us move through Friday and Saturday in a balanced and aligned way. What do they have to tell us today? Answering the call. Talked about that yesterday. And stepping into power. We talked about that yesterday too. Now, that was a card from yesterday. And then unknown territory. I think some of these cards are reappearing to make sure that we understand how important this energy is in helping us move through and navigate the Aquarian energy that is coming in as we speak. It started coming in to its fullest on the winter solstice, in case you wanted to know. Some of us are being asked, like I said yesterday, to put safety and security and boredom away and take a risk on ourselves and a unique quality or skill that we have that we can contribute to society, to the whole, and that will bring us happiness, fulfillment, and satisfaction. We've been thinking about it, but we just don't have the courage to take the risk. So a good time to check in with higher self and get a little direction and a little bit of support. Always there for us. Stepping into power, we're talking about the solar eclipse shining on Pluto retrograde, asking us to reclaim our power. If we are being manipulated or controlled, we're giving our power away. If we are in a narcissistic relationship, we have given our power away. It is time to take our power back according to the Aquarian energy and according to my keynote of this station. Life is lived from the inside out. So we have to claim our power. The power is from within. Power over is only temporary and used to control and manipulate. Then we have an unknown territory. Okay, Spirit knows that you haven't gone here before. Spirit knows this is a completely new and different direction for some of us. But Spirit's here to tell us, I got your backs. I got all your backs. All you got to do is check in with me. Ask for my support. You got to ask, you guys. Spirit just doesn't help you unless you ask. He has to be invited. So invite Spirit, higher self, however you want to call it, to come into our lives and to help us make those decisions to move forward. Anyway, having said all that, have a great Friday and Saturday. I won't see you tomorrow. I'm going to sleep late. But I will see you Sunday the 13th for your weekly astrological forecast. And please come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Remember, everyone, life is lived from the inside out. Have a great Friday and weekend. I will see you Sunday. Namaste.